What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the OPPO Find X2 Pro against the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we have the new Snapdragon 865 versus the A13 Bionic, 12GB of RAM versus 4, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max finished first. However, the OPPO Find X2 Pro scored overall higher with over 67,000 points. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the OPPO Find X2 Pro scored higher on every single category. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.